Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mail server ports and firewall openings on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your virtual private server, or VPS, using SSH. Use your preferred terminal or command line interface to initiate the connection. Enter the command SSH your username at your VPS IP. Replace your username with your actual username and your VPS IP with the IP address of your VPS. Once logged in, you'll need to check which mail server ports are in use. Common ports for mail servers include 25, 465, and 587 for SMTP. To verify if these ports are open, use the command netstat-tone. Review the output carefully for any lines indicating the active ports. Next, you'll want to check the firewall settings. If you're using UFW, enter the command sudo of status. Look for rules that allow traffic on the mail server ports. If these ports are not listed, you'll need to open them. To open port 25, for example, use the command sudo of allow25/tcp. Repeat this step for each mail server port you wish to open. For systems using iptables, use the command sudo iptables-l. Inspect the output for chain rules relating to your mail server ports. To allow a port with iptables, use the command sudo iptables-a input ptcp port 25j accept. Make sure to repeat for ports 465 and 587 as needed. After configuring your firewall, verify the changes. For UFW, re-enter sudo of status. For iptables, use sudo iptables-l. Once everything is confirmed, restart your mail service to apply any changes. Use the command sudo system to restart postfix for postfix servers. For other mail servers, replace postfix with the corresponding service name. Finally, conduct a test to ensure the configuration works as intended. You can use tools like Telnet or external services to check port accessibility. That concludes the verification of mail server ports and firewall openings on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.